my name's Carly Harity. The play therapy technique that I'm using for my video is a get to know you game, and I'm calling it How About You? It's more of like a rapport building technique as well as to get to know your client and maybe the group that you're in. So this activity, the way that I'm going to show it is you're going to have a ball and then you're going to toss it back and forth with the client or group of clients that you have, and it can be done with any number of people. So it's going to start off by, I would say, I like blank, how about you? And then I would toss the ball to my client. Then my client would respond with something that they like. And then my client would say, the next topic, I like to go blank, how about you? And then toss it back to me. And it would go on so and so forth. A couple of rounds, so then everyone can get a few turns, and then you can kind of get to know your client a little bit better. I think that this is useful because you get to learn about your client in a different way and see their likes or dislikes, as well as you get to kind of make your client feel a little more comfortable with you by them getting to know you in a more personal level. I think that this is nice because it's not just focused on what they're there for therapy, and it also helps break the ice a little bit in the beginning of a session. I would use this with my client when I'm first meeting them, and I think that this is also useful with any age group and any ability, because you don't have to use a ball if that's too advanced or not possible depending on your client's abilities, and you could do rolling the ball, or you could even just say like popcorn and then popcorn back and forth. So I also feel that this requires some checking in at the end to kind of make sure your client's feeling comfortable with it. So at the end of my video, I also checked in with my client to make sure to see that they were feeling okay, asked them what they felt about it, and what they liked or disliked about it to get some better feedback for next time and see what else we might want to do. So overall, I think that this technique can be used in many settings and is useful in all ages. Okay, so today I thought it would be good to start out by doing a little get to know you activity and a rapport building technique that I have. It's called How About You? So we'll pass this ball back and forth, and we'll tell each other a little bit of things about one another and things that we like, or your favorite color or food or anything like that. So I'll start, and then I'll pass it to you, and then you can answer, and then you can ask me a question and then pass it to me and I'll answer. So first, I like to do gymnastics. How about you?
I like to play softball.
Now you can ask a question.
Okay. I like to go to the beach. How about you?
I like to go to the mountains. I like to bake cakes. How about you?
Oh, I really like to bake cookies, especially chocolate chip cookies. I like to watch TV. How about you?
I like to watch TV, but I like to watch movies more. My favorite color is pink. How about you?
My favorite color is purple. My favorite ice cream is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. How about you?
I like chocolate. And then I'll think of one more, and I think my favorite animal is a monkey. How about you?
My favorite animal is a dog. And I have a dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a golden doodle.
Oh, what's his or her name?
Her name is Amber.
Oh, nice. Okay, here, you can pass the ball back. Thank you. So I just had a few questions. What did you think about this technique? Did you like it or did you not like it?
I liked it. I thought it was fun. I liked that we were able to talk and learn about each other.
Good. Do you have anything that you would change about the technique that we used?
I don't think so. I think that it was fun.
Yeah.
We got to learn each other, how to watch where that ball was going. But otherwise, I think it was a fun technique that we would like to play.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for doing that with me. We can start getting into the next part of our session, but I just wanted to try to do that first to get to know you a little better.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's move on.